Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be testing the Beauty Glazed Matte Liquid Lipstick set, and this is one of them. So if you want to know how these look, then just keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget that there's a button down below that lets me know you liked it. And also, if you're new here and you want to see new videos every Thursday and Sunday, then don't forget to subscribe with the button in the corner or down below, and also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so I am kind of in the middle of other filming. This is kind of filming batch day. But as you've seen, the box comes like this, and it's a sleeve, and then you get 6 lip shades. These are all minis, and these have 0.65 mils each, and these are cruelty free. You get all of the information and ingredients in the back. So I'm just taking all of them out. So once you take them out, they look like this, and this is what they look like close up. So it's got that kissing text that is kind of similar to the KYLIE, and then you get Beauty Glazed, and then on the bottom you got a sticker with the shade name. So the first one is called Exposed, and I guess I'm gonna swatch them on my hand, and then I'll choose one to apply on my lips. So as I said, the first one is called Exposed, and yeah, I'll swatch it here. It looks kind of a peachy color. I always smell everything, and they do smell very nice, kind of like chocolate. The second shade is called Candy K. It's a beautiful nude color. It's kind of more of a cool toned nude. The third one is called Cocoa K. This is more of a mauve color. I think even the names are also like the KYLIE lipsticks. The fourth one is called Dolce K. Okay, so this one is kind of more of a orangey nude, and the first ones are kind of starting to dry a little bit. Then the fifth one is called Kristen, and swatch it up here. So that one is almost kind of a red color. And then the final one is called Leo, and I'll swatch it here. So this one is kind of a dark red color. Yeah, I mean, I guess they all swatched very well. I really like all these shades. Maybe except for this one, I think it's kinda not exactly my kind of shade, but all of the other ones are very, very pretty. And I think I'm going to take this one on my lips today and see how they apply. I mean, from all the swatches, they look very similar. This dark one is slightly more patchy, but I guess you can kind of expect that for lipsticks of this color. It's kind of usual. They did take a little bit to remove, so maybe that's a good sign. And as I said, I'm going to take the shade Cocoa K. So it was very easy to apply and it's already starting to dry. I did have to go in twice, but I think that's pretty normal for this size of lipstick. Just gonna let it dry a little bit more to see if it's transfer proof. Okay, so I feel like it dried relatively fast and it feels comfortable on the lips. It's not very drying. And it's transfer proof. I didn't know that, but that is very good. And yeah, I guess it looks pretty. Let me give you a close up. So this is what the lipstick is looking like. And it's not sticky, it's not too drying. So yeah, I guess I like it. This does feel a lot better than the Kat Von D dupes I tested the other day. I did like all of the colors, maybe apart from the shade Exposed, but that's more of a personal preference. And then this shade Leo was slightly patchy, but that's normal for this kind of a more dark color. So yeah, I will continue to test these and let you know. Check maybe the description box. If I've used them more, I will leave it on there. So yeah, I guess these are definitely worth the money and you get a lot of colors to choose from. Okay, so that is everything for this video. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of the Beauty Glazed lipsticks or the KYLIE lipsticks, and let me know if you think they are comparable. And if you like this video, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe with the button in the corner or down below for new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!